Here, we understand protecting what matters most is the mission that matters most. At Lockheed Martin, we know today's battlefront is behind, above, and below. So no matter where the threat comes from, we make sure you stay ahead of it. Out here, we understand that every piece of the all-domain puzzle must fit together perfectly so that you can defend our shared values and own the contested battle space. That's why we've spent decades building and connecting the platforms you need to dominate every domain across air, land, sea, space, and cyber. We've created technologies that unite disparate and complex systems so you can sense, make sense, and act, protecting in the same moment you detect. And to safeguard that advantage, we're integrating digital engineering, AI, and 5G technology into the field and within our own walls. Everything we do is in service of what you do and why you do it. Your mission is a safer, more secure world. Our promise is to help make it happen by connecting the software to the hardware to everywhere, ensuring those we serve always stay ahead of ready.